Good morning everyone, welcome again. As you all know, in our previous video we have already discussed goals of psychological inquiry. Today we will start steps in conducting scientific research or methods. Start with scientific methods. Scientific methods, I will start from science. Science is not so defined by what it investigates as by how it investigates. The scientific method attempts to study a particular event or phenomena in an objective, systematic and testable manner. These are the characteristics to study any particular event or phenomena. First is objectivity. Objectivity refers to the fact that if two or more persons independently study a particular event and both of them should arrive at the same conclusion. For example, if you and your friend measuring the length of table using the same measuring device, so both of you would arrive at the same conclusion about its length, that is objectivity. Next characteristics is systematic. When you study any particular event or phenomena, it should be systematic. Testable manner. A particular event or phenomena should be testable. So next is here about the steps. Scientific method involves a series of steps that are used to investigate a natural occurrence. Here are steps of scientific method. You can see here, and here is one figure about steps in conducting scientific inquiry. This figure you can see in your book, NCERT book, at the page number 24. Start with first step, formulate a question. The process of scientific research begins with when a researcher selects a topic for study. Then she or he narrows down the focus and develops specific research questions or problems for the study. This is done on the basis of review of past research, observations and personal experiences. For example, earlier you read that a researcher was interested in observing the study habits of students. For this purpose, she or he may identify different facts of study habits first, then decide whether she or he is interested in study habits shown in the class or at the home. So firstly, we will formulate a question. Next is research the question. As I discuss you, for this purpose, she or he may identify different facts of study habit first, then decide whether she or he is interested in study habits shown in the class or at the time. So this is an important step, especially when you do an independent investigation such as science fair project, and researching your question lets you know if others have done the same experiment before, and if so, what their data suggests. If they had a widely accepted conclusion, you may want to try a different angle with your experiment or test a different variable. So you can choose that question also. You should also research the scientific concepts associated with the experiment. For example, if you are testing to see which paper towel brand is the most absorbent, you should research absorbency, paper material and quality control testing. This will help answer the why. Next step is formulate a hypothesis. Predict a possible answer to the problem or question. Example, if soil temperatures rise, then plant growth will increase. So, what do you think will happen? When you formulate a hypothesis is your prediction for the outcome of the experiment. It is based on the observation and should be testable. That is a hypothesis. Hypothesis means it is a tentative solution of your problem. That is hypothesis. So we have discussed today 3 steps. Next time we will discuss rest of the steps. Thank you.